Stack and pray, 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 yeah, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, ay, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be giving you guys an updated recipe for my body butters. I know that I didn't really do a good job at explaining what I used in my previous videos, so I hope this video helps you all out. So I'm just showing you some of my new butters that I'll be adding to my recipe. So as always, I have my mango butter, my shea butter, and I just added the kokum butter. I hope I'm saying that right. And then I added cocoa butter. I'm showing you the tools that I'll be using in my oils. So I have my jojoba oil, my coconut oil, avocado oil, vitamin E oil, and I also will be adding beeswax to my mixture. I'm using this because I noticed that some of my butters have melted during transit before, so I wanted to see if this will help out, because now that we're getting to the summer months, you know, butter is gonna melt, so I thought this would be a good alternative and see if that works. Alright, so we're hopping right into it. I have 3 pounds of refined shea butter in the bowl, and then I'll be adding 2 cups of beeswax to the mixture. Right here, I'm just showing you what the beeswax pellets look like. These are the white ones, so I'm just showing you what they look like. They're pretty small. One thing about these is that they did take a lot of time to actually melt down, so it's gonna take maybe an extra 10 minutes for them to melt down completely in the mixture. So now I'll be adding 1 cup of cocoa butter to the mixture. Then I added 1.5 cups of mango butter. I also did a little bit of research when I was looking up recipes for body butters, and I noticed that you would have to add hard butters to your mixture for it to remain not necessarily a solid, but a thicker consistency. So sorry, I skipped past this, but I added 1 cup of cocoa butter to the mixture, 2 cups of coconut oil, 2/4 of a cup of jojoba oil, and 2/3 of a cup of avocado oil to the mixture. And then now I'm showing you my preservative. I added 1 tablespoon of this. And then I also added 1 tablespoon of vitamin E, which I forgot to film. So this is what we have, everything included in the bowl. And then now I have the bowl on top of my pot with water in it, you know, the double boiler method. So that's what I'll be doing here, melting it down and then popping it into the freezer. So this is what the butters look like after being in the freezer for about 45 minutes. I know it looks a little hard, but once you scrape the bowl, it will actually be liquid at the bottom. I forgot to mention that this bowl had 6 pounds of butter in it altogether. So now I'll just be mixing this for about maybe 20 to 30 minutes. And I'll take breaks in between to like allow it to thicken up a little. Here is the piping tip that I'll be using. This is one of the larger tips that I showed you guys in my previous video. And I finally got me some press and seal, guys. So I'll be using that to wrap up all my butters and put it into the piping bags. And then I wanted to show you guys the mica pigments that I use for my butters, as well as my flavoring oils that I get from Get Suckered. So once this zooms in, you'll see that this is the watermelon flavor. And then my mica pigments, I get those from Amazon. This jar right here will last you a long time because it's actually pretty big. I think it's about 100 milligrams of mica pigment. And honestly, a little goes a long way. Alright, and we're getting close to the end of the video. So basically what I'll be doing now is filling a few of my jars. I have my 8-ounce jar and my 4-ounce jar that I'll be filling. And you'll get to see that action. You'll get to see my pink lemonade butter as well as my cotton candy butter. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.